Simix Kitchen Degreaser eliminates the need for hydrojetting and snaking. It is the easiest and least expensive way to keep drains and pipes flowing.
So the jetting twice a year might have cost me over $1,000. Now we're doing it for the price of a case of the Simix.
All you do is fill up sinks with hot water and Simix, then let them drain out.
Well, we've been using in the 3 wash bins 15 gallons per bin with 2 scoops of the Simix for these 2 bins, and we've been doing that for the past 2 weeks. We run it the first sink to about halfway down, then we start the second sink, and it gets about halfway down, then we start the water and let that finish up.
Take a look at these before and after videos from a pipe under a busy diner. The pipe is almost totally clear after just 14 days of using Simix at a cost of less than $100.
The video before and the video after, it shows clearly the water running through at a fast rate of speed.
Simix turns the grease into a liquid. It stays liquid, even when it cools down.
We only had a tiny little space beforehand, and now the whole pipe is open.
Well, we accomplished not having to jet them this time, and we did it in less than 2 weeks.
When you use Simix, you also eliminate odors and flies.
And the smells have gone away, the sewage smells, the backup smells.
Once your pipes are clear, you need to keep running Simix and hot water through your pipes 2 to 4 times a month. We also recommend mopping with Simix and pouring that water down the drains. This will keep your pipes and drains clear and eliminate snaking and hydrojetting. Learn more at SimixKitchenDegreaser.com.